Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
What's up, people? So, current situation. We are stuck in Corner Brook because there was a landslide and we cannot go home. It is currently 9:36 at night. Haven't eaten yet, so we went and picked up McDonald's. And I asked for cheese and bacon on my burger. And that's all I fucking got. Cheese and bacon. What the fuck is this shit?
You're making the camera shake because I'm laughing.
Well, stop laughing. Anyway, people, up here, Jody, moneymaker. Anyway, people.
Okay.
So, Jody. Oh my God, do you have Tourette's, woman? Okay, people. So,
I'm sparkly.
So we're gonna run into Wally World. Don't know if you can see that. Fucking rain. Oh, motherfucker. Oh my God, why is this? Okay, I also fucked with the settings and the zoom is super slow. Wally World. Anyway. Oh God, it's gonna be zoomed in. Oh God. Oh God. Yeah. So, we're gonna run into Walmart and we're gonna buy some mayo.
Literally.
For this mother burger.
Rather than going back to McDonald's, which to me seems like the more rational thing to do, he's gonna go in and get mayo. Okay.
See my Adam's apple?
Yep. It's kind of gross, actually.
Is it?
Yeah. Well.
Alright. Into Walmart we go.
What happened? Did. I mean, there must be some sort of
Very confused.
well, obviously you managed to break the seal at least, so
Something happened, didn't it? It looks hilarious. People, crisis averted.
aside from the one that we still can't go home.
Except, yeah, we can't go home yet. When McDonald's fucks you.
I think it's upside down.
Fuck. For when McDonald's fucks you. Hammond's. It's a good ad. I'd pay for that ad. I would tell YouTube to use that ad, but we know that. Well, guys, it's officially 2 o'clock. We're heading home in the opposite lane of traffic. It's very awkward. I guess this is what it's like to drive in the UK, kind of.
So, here's hoping that's the end of our adventure for the night.
Hopefully. Let's hope the dogs aren't dead.
Oh Lord, the dogs have been home alone for so long, and yeah, I don't like it. And it's so dark in here the camera can't focus. Hello, and welcome back to the Peanut Show with Mrs. and Tiny Peanut.
Are you tired?
So it's the next day. We made it home, went to bed. I fucked up my arm sleeping, which somehow I'm holding this camera with it, so progress?
Oh. Are we moving? Or is this guy just being retarded?
And it looks like we're moving. So, update on the road situation. I'm guessing they don't have it fixed yet because we're currently waiting in traffic. So what it looks like what they're doing with the highway is they're detouring the blocked off lane into the other lane of traffic and letting them all go through. And then after so many people go through, they block it off again, let the normal people go through, and they seem to be doing that back and forth. So now we're waiting.
But they would know that because we videoed it yesterday.
Yeah, but we didn't explain it all yesterday.
No? Yeah, so currently waiting to get back on the highway. So what they have done is down on the other side of the highway, they have a detour going over the overpass and looping back around and coming back on the opposite lane. So obviously you can only have one lane of traffic going at a time. So we're currently waiting for whoever's down on that end coming this way to go, so then we can go. Yep.
Rip. Also, while we're sitting here, where are we going today?
Some kind of RV show. Yep. Something to do.
Yeah. I guess this is the kind of shit old married people do.
Maybe?
I mean, it's been 2.5 years. Does that count as old and married?
Sure.
Okay.
I mean, you look old. Like shit. Well, this is the traffic behind us. What the fuck? Do you see that? Jesus.
Oh, looks like we're gonna start going now, so see you at the RV thingamajiggy.
Fuck. A lot of stuff, man. Holy shit, what the fuck? Did it like all come off the hill?
I guess so.
Yep.
So that was our mini avalanche.
That was our pain in the ass for 4 hours.
Well, isn't this a familiar sight?
Yep. Still a shit show.
Yeah.
Oh well. At least it's moving somewhat.
So while we're turtling along, so we went to the RV show. We didn't do any vlogging while we were in there.
People were looking at us weird, so
Yeah.
fuck people.
We didn't do any vlogging, but I took a lot of pictures, so which I'm gonna put right here, somewhere here.
You fucking horse?
So we went to that. It was nice. The only thing is they didn't have very much variety there. They only had like 20 or so RVs, and they're all kind of the same thing.
Yep.
Yeah. I guess they're trying to... I guess they brought in the stuff that would make the most amount of people happy, which makes a lot of sense. But, oh well. Yeah. And then we got some McDonald's and got our winter tires taken off.
Yep.
And now we're heading home.
It's gonna take like an hour to get home. Again.
I hope it's not gonna be that long.
It probably will, because they have the traffic stopped here, so obviously there's stuff coming, and you see that there's no one else on the overpass, so they're stopped up here on this fucking corner. I swear, the logistics of this town are actually like retarded.
They aren't, they're not the greatest in a crisis. Yeah.
I personally think they should just like free for all, and you know, at your own desire, and then we'll just drive the truck around everywhere.
Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, we just off-road it.
Someone must have knocked that pylon down out of spite. Zoom in on that pylon. Here we are observing a worker of the city in his natural habitat, doing fuck all. Seems about right.
Yep. All that traffic, though.
Yeah. All that traffic, and we're on the other fucking side. And there's like 10 cars behind us. Good?
Yep.
Oh, how convenient. You don't fucking say. I couldn't tell from all the fucking vehicles around us.
Bit of a delayed reaction on your phone's part.
And because of last night's escapades, we pretty much maxed out our fucking data.
Yeah.
From YouTube and Twitter. I feel like we should get reimbursed for that. It's not our fucking problem. You guys are retards.
It could be worse. What if we didn't have smartphones?
Then I had to play with you. Got a loader there now too. Why are you slowing down? So they're slowing the fuck down so they can be nosy and look at that. Like, fuck off. Yeah, that is so much snow. Can you imagine? Holy fuck. Can you imagine? Guys, okay, so for a lot of people, you're not gonna understand like the magnitude of this. Like, we're from a really small fucking place, right? So this is like ridiculous. So like, yeah, you guys are probably used to shit like that. That never happens here. So it's, yeah, yep, it's fucking shit.
Hey guys. So I was just about to go edit the video and I realized we never recorded an ending. Again. We seem to be good at that. This is like the day after the last stuff you saw. So apparently now the highway is open. Finally. I mean, it only took them 2 days to move a bit of ice. So that's good. But they still have one lane closed, so I don't know if that means they're planning on doing more work or if it's just a safety precaution in case more snow plans on falling anytime soon. I mean, I guess we'll find out. Hopefully we don't get stuck in traffic until 2 in the morning anymore. Anyway, that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave us some comments, because, you know, we love hearing from you guys. And if you want to see more of us, maybe consider hitting that subscribe button, because that would be kind of awesome. So, until next time, guys, peanuts out.